Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. Nowadays, we need to protect ourselves from getting infected because of coronavirus. And the first and foremost step to take here is to wash our hands again and again. So let's watch a video and learn the best way to protect ourselves and staying safe by washing hands.
Wet your hands with water. Apply soap, rub your hands palm to palm, and wash the backs of both hands and in between your fingers. Then palm to palm with fingers interlocked. Clasp your hands together and rub. And then clean around the thumbs too. Rub your fingertips in the palms of your hands and finish off with the wrists. Rinse your hands really well with water and dry them thoroughly with a paper towel. Use the towel to turn off the tap. Your hands are now clean.
So today we are going to begin lesson 12.7 centimeters and meters, and we are going to cover page number 723 till 726. So what will you learn in today's lesson? At the end of this lesson, you will be able to estimate measurements, measure to the nearest meter, and make a correct use of ruler, measuring tape, and meter stick to measure the length and height of different objects. So before starting the lesson, let's review what we have learned till now in this topic. So the first unit we learned was inch. Very nice. And then we studied that a tool used to measure inches is very good. It's a ruler. Then we studied that how many inches make 1 foot? Excellent. 12 inches make 1 foot. And what is the tool used to measure foot or feet? Measuring tape. Very nice. And then how many feet makes 1 yard? Very good. 3 feet make 1 yard. And what did we use to measure the yards? Excellent. We used a yardstick to measure the yards. And then yesterday's lesson we studied about centimeters. Very nice. And what was the tool used to measure centimeter? Ruler and measuring tape. Excellent. And quickly tell me, centimeters are smaller than inches or bigger than inches? Excellent. They are smaller than inches. Let's watch a video related to lesson, and at the end of the video
You
you
can
have
use
to
a
tell
ruler
me
or a
what
meter
is the
stick to
new
measure
unit
length.
introduced in
1
this
meter is 100
video.
centimeters
What is the
long.
name of the unit?
Remember
we are
that
going
1
to use in
centimeter
this
is
lesson.
smaller than 1 inch.
The button is about 1 centimeter long. What objects are about as small as a button? Some objects that are about as small as a button are a staple, a bug, or a push pin. This table is about 1 meter long. What objects are about as long as a meter? Some objects that are about 1 meter long are a baseball bat, a doorway, and the height of a desk. You can also use a measuring tape to measure centimeters and meters. What unit is shown on this measuring tape? Centimeters are shown on the measuring tape. Are these centimeters the same size as centimeters on the ruler?
Select your answer.
Yes, a centimeter is a standard unit of length. It is the same length no matter which tool is used to measure. So, should an object measure the same number of centimeters if measured with a ruler or a measuring tape? Yes, it should. Now you know how to use centimeters and meters to measure length.
So what have you learned from the video? What was the name of the unit we are going to use in this lesson? It was very good. It is called meter. It is called excellent meter. And 1 meter was equal to how many centimeters? Excellent, 100 centimeters. And then what was the example? Tell me the name of any object which is about 1 meter long. Bravo! A baseball bat, a table, a doorway, as we have seen in the video, is about 1 meter long. And then what is the tool we can use to measure the meter? Excellent. We can use ruler, measuring tape, and meter stick to measure the meters. Okay, let's begin the lesson 12.6, page number 723. What is the problem given? Which object in the classroom are about 3 centimeter long and which object is about 1 meter long? We have to draw the objects in this box which is about 3 centimeter long. So just look around yourself in your room. If there is any object which is about 3 centimeter long, you have to draw in this box, and then you have to look for anything that is about 1 meter long, and you have to draw the picture of that object in this box. Okay, on the next page, you have to match these objects with their length, and the lengths are given in centimeters and meters. So the first picture is the paper clip. Till now, we were studying that one paper clip is 1 inch long, 1 inch long, right? But this time, you are not measuring that how tall is the paper clip. You have to measure how wide is this. How wide? Look at the purple mark given. You have to measure the paper clip in this position on your ruler, and then you have to check how long is it. So excellent. It's about 1 centimeter long. Very nice. Then what about this truck in picture 2? The truck is about 10 meter long, 1 meter long, or 10 centimeter long. Bravo, it's about 10 meter long. It's a big one. And then in the picture we have seen about the table. The table was about how many meters long? Bravo, it's about 1 meter long. And then the crayon is about 10 centimeter long. Very nice. Okay, the next page, you have to estimate the length of the object in this column. Then you have to measure it using a tool. Now, what are the tools we are going to use? Ruler, very good, and excellent measuring tape. And the third one is meter stick. Very good. Now I have this eraser and I have to measure it this way according to the purple mark given. So first I will estimate, means I will guess the close answer and write here. Then I will measure the eraser using my ruler and write about how many centimeter long is it? And then as I have used my ruler, so I will write here ruler. So like this, you have to do question 6, 7, and 8. Now let's read question 9. Okay, Tom uses a meter stick to measure the length of a fence. He moves the meter stick 5 times to measure from one end to another. How long is the fence? So first of all, a meter stick is equal to 1 meter. A meter stick is equal to 1 meter. So if you are moving 1 meter stick 5 times, so how many meters you are going to measure? Yes, you have to write it on this blank. Then question 10. Gabby says that her doll is about 30 meters long. Do you think this is a good estimate? Why or why not? So, first of all, just think a doll can be of 30-meter long? Yes or no? Just write it on this blank. Okay, the next page you have assessment. Measure each line. Which line are at least 6 centimeter long? Choose all that apply. Now, at least 6 centimeter long means you have to take out your ruler and measure these lines on your book. And at least 6 means the line must be 6 centimeter or greater than 6. It should be 6 centimeter or greater than 6 centimeter. So which line is 6 or greater? You have to mark. So I did that and I found out the blue line, and the green line is 6 or above. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching, and your homework is assigned on Pearson online. So just log into your Pearson account to do your homework. See you in the next video with a new lesson. Till then, take care and stay safe. And don't forget to wash your hands.